SB19's male fanbase has become bigger that they even now have official social media accounts with their own logo. Here are some video clips showing funny interactions between fanboys and SB19.
Justin! Justin! I touched him! I touched him! I touched him! I touched him! I touched him with this hand! Stand! Stand for this! Stand! Stand for this! I love you, Josh! I love you, Josh! Pwede na ako mamatay, Josh! Pwede na ako mamatay!
Ako na, brother.
Yeah.
Gusto mo ba G20 to bang ano?
G20 to bang tatanong? Hindi, okay lang kami.
Sige, kailangan, okay lang yan.
Sino ang gusto mong mag-interview sa'yo sa G22?
Ay,
ikaw
si G22 Josh. G22 Josh. Okay na ba?
Bakit ako sa mga tao? Oh. Tapos ito, jowa mo.
May ganyan ka din?
Ay, okay na. Sorry, ganyan din.
Pakilala muna tayo.
I'm Lawrence.
You're Lawrence?
Sorry?
You're Lawrence and you're from where?
From Singapore.
From Singapore! Pero galing ka Pilipinas. Kapatid mo siya? So you've been working here for how many... Talaga ba?
Ako #1 fanboy mo sa Singapore!
Hey! Tingnan mo naman Naka full set to, naka +9 to. Full set. Yeah, pero sige. Anong card yan? Oh! Grabe! Ano niya, meron siyang Josh Collet. Ano to? Let no one define your true worth. You are priceless in your own right. Tama? That's what I said. Brother, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, give it up for Lawrence. Okay, this one's called...
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dan!
First of all, I just want to thank every one of you here for coming tonight. Just take my mask off.
Ang sarap ko, Philip! Ayan! Ayan!
Yo, what's up?
What's up? What's up? What's up?
Thank you so much for having me.
Hey! 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 Ang pogi mo! Ang gagwapo nila. Oh my God, Stel! Okay, Dior, kalmahan mo lang. Okay, alam nyo na ngayon, ang bias ko po ay si Stel. Grabe, sobrang gagwapo nila. Wala akong masabi. Grabe naman. Sinigtan ni Stel yung camera ko.
Stel, my husband loves you.
This is how a successful fanboy reacts when his idol noticed him.
Stel! Stel! Stel!
And
ba do ba do ba do ba do do ba do do do. I do ba do ba do do do. I do ba do ba do.
I love you, Stel!
I love you too, Lord! Stel, I love you!
Dagdag din po kami ng elements like
Love you, Stel!
Love you, Stel!
Stel lang, si Stel lang.
Love you, Pablo!
I love you too, bro. You again. Love you. I will not forget your face. But were you able to get your phone?
I got my phone back.
Yeah. I was supposed to, put it in my pocket and then go home. Sayang.
Kuya Pa, bakit tao ka po ba? Bakit ganyan? Mahal na mahal ka ni Karen Lauzon. Thank you po.